We're in UAS 2 right now, Unmanned Aerial Systems. In this class, it's kind of an extension from Unmanned Aerial Systems 1. So we're basically going even deeper into our knowledge about drones and flying them and safety around flying them.
I approach it in the two-prong approach simultaneously so that if they choose to, they can sit and take the FAA Part 107 certification. So what that means is they can legally earn money doing drone work.
Down the road, everybody in the class, I think, is going to take their FAA pilot's license test, which allows us to make money flying drones for just mapping out property, film, stuff like that.
I enjoy working with the students. I enjoy the hunger that they have when they come in. They're all excited to learn, they're eager. They love the hands-on part. I love seeing that light bulb go off when they get it. They're the ones manipulating the controls, and I think that's what's beautiful is they're learning to do it. I'm not doing it for them.
Just flying the drones every day. Just getting out, always having at least some type of opportunity, whether it be on a simulator or the actual mini drones, just getting out and flying them.
It's really cool to be able to explore this industry or this newfound, still new technology at school, and get to spend time at school, you know, learning about drones and how they're emerging into the world today. And yeah, it's really unique because it's just such a new technology that we're getting to learn right off the bat.